Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn what is reach in Facebook ads or meta ads. As you can see, I am into my meta ads manager, and whenever we do analysis of any ad campaign, then there is a terminology named reach, right? As you can see in this ad campaign, I have received reach of 1,46,906 users, right? So what is reach basically? And as you can see here, the impression is like 4,06,467, and you can see the amount spent is 20,919 bucks, right? So what is reach? Look, reach is number of unique users who have seen your ad, right? It's number of unique users who have seen your ad. And what is impression? Impression is how many times your ad has been played in front of them. Like a same user can watch your ad multiple times, right? Meta can showcase your ad multiple times to same user, then impression would automatically be more than the reach every time, and it would never be like a situation where impression is less than reach, right? As reach is the number of unique users who have seen your ad, and impression is how many times your ad has been seen by those unique users. So in this ad campaign, as you can see, 1,46,000 approximate people have seen our ad for 4,06,000 times, right? And here you can calculate the ad frequency, like on an average each user have seen your ad for like 2.77 times, right? So this is basically the reach and impression meaning in Facebook ad account, right? So scrolling down, as you can see, here is the reach for different ad campaigns, right? Now students many times ask me like in $1, right, how many reach my ad would get. Then I would tell them that it totally depends upon the area where you are running your ad, right? If you are running your ad in alpha cities like Las Vegas, New York City, then automatically in $1 you are going to receive lesser reach in comparison to the situation when you are running your ad in tier 1 city or tier 2 city or tier 3 city. Like you are going to get good reach in tier 3 city in comparison to tier 1 or 2, right? So it totally depends where you are running ad and at what time you are running ad, right? For example, if you're running ad campaign during festive season, many companies are running ad simultaneously in that particular area, then Meta would have lesser placement or lesser inventory left, where the Meta can showcase your ad. Then automatically the inventory prices would hike, right? So it entirely depends upon the audience timing when you are running your ad, like so we can't give any fixed value, like you are going to receive a reach of 15 users in $1. We can't, right? So this is all for now. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website and explore our digital marketing course, and you can directly purchase the course from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.